This week here at CarCareKiosk, we've been working on a Toyota Corolla Sedan, and we thought we'd give you a quick preview of a few of the repairs from this vehicle. First up, let's show you how to change the front turn signal bulb. Reach down behind the bulb housing. Here's your bulb assembly. Turn it and pull it out. Pull the bulb straight out to remove it. Next, we're going to show you how to access the oil drain plug and oil filter. Reach under the vehicle to begin. Remove 4 10mm bolts from this panel. Pull the panel down. Reach up here for the drain plug. Use a 17mm socket on this plug. Reach up here for the oil filter. And finally, we're going to show you how to access the reverse light bulb. Open the trunk to begin. Reach up here and disengage one fastener. Pry back the trunk lining. Reach up for the bulb assembly. Turn it and pull it down. Pull the bulb straight out to remove it. This car was pretty easy to work on. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. And if you want more car repair videos and more in-depth car repair videos, please visit CarCareKiosk.com.